Tractors, man's mechanical workhorse. Tractors can be a resource of incredible assistance, or an instrument of deadly destruction. Attention to safety is essential. We're going to examine the case of Pam B. She is one of the luckier victims of disobeying tractor safety rules. Here is her story.
We were so excited about getting a tractor. We did some practice driving and then decided it was time for the tractor to go to work. The first task would be simple. We were going to move rocks down to the creek. I gathered rocks and waited for Jeff to come with the tractor. Jeff arrived and began maneuvering the tractor into position. To avoid slipping, I sidestepped down the hill to put rocks in the bucket. I was so glad when I realized I wasn't going to have to walk to the bottom of the embankment. Jeff could just raise the bucket up to me. As Jeff watched his tires to avoid tipping into the ditch, I leaned over to put the rocks inside the bucket. I didn't pay attention to a basic tractor safety rule. Don't stand in front of a moving tractor, especially when the bucket is up. The operator can't see you. These were my thoughts. Ugh! I might be okay. No, that's not going to be good. That's really not going to be good. Here's what I screamed over the tractor noise. Ah! Move it back! Move it back! Move it back! Move it back! I was so scared I would see twisted, mangled legs once the bucket was off. However, I was lucky. No broken bones. Just scrapes, cuts, bruises, and sprains. It wasn't good, but it could have been so much worse. I feel fortunate to be able to pass on this good advice. Safety first. Let me get it. I'll just snap a quick shot, Clark. Sometime today.
I'm trying.
I hear the frog croaking. Garoop.
Ready?
Yeah.